Hello everyone, this is Raji. In this video, let us see some of the date functions in Power Query Editor. So, I have already added a table, sales details table. Let us open the Power Query Editor and see the date functions. To open the Power Query Editor, under the Home tab, click Transform Data. Select Transform Data option. In Power Query Editor will be opened in a new window. So, here we have sales date. This is the column that is necessary for us, that is required by us to study these date functions. So let us duplicate this column, this table, and let us rename it as sales, and we only need this column, so let us remove other columns. So we have this column. Now let us see the date functions one by one. So to let us go to add column and select custom column option. So if we want, if the dates are present year or previous year, so if we want date is in previous year or present year, if it is in previous year, we need the output should be true, otherwise false. Since it is 2022, previous year means 2021, so the result for 2021 should be true. So let me rename this as previous year. So the function is, if we type date, we get all the date functions. So date dot is in current. We have many options. So I want is in previous year. Open the bracket. Add sales date. Close the. We can simply double click, or we can select this cell. Click insert to add here the sales date. Now press OK. So let us add again previous year. Is in previous year. Click OK. So see, 2022 is not a previous year. So we are currently in 2022. So 2021 is previous year. So here under 2021 we get the result as true. Now let us see the date in ascending order. So we should get all false. The sales date is from year 2016 to, let us sort by descending order, 2022. So we get only true for 2022, 2021. So because we have selected for previous year only. Now let us see another date function is in current year. Let us see for current year. Here add custom column, current year, formula, date dot is in So here we have all the options see in current hour, current minute, current second. If we want, we can check all this on our based on our requirement. So I want is in current year. So I am selecting this. I need to remove this before we got an error because of that only. Let me select sales date. Click OK. So we should get true for 2022 only. Then all the years we should get false. So the output is correct. We got as required. So this is date dot is in current year function, which is all the days dot is in current month or day or week all are similar to this function only. So if you want last 2 years, so we want dates in last 2 years. For that we have to add again one custom column. Last 2 years. I want data for last 2 years to be true. So the function is date dot is in previous. We have to select previous n years. So remove this. So add sales date, comma 2. Okay. Last 2 years means 2021 and 2020. So the result should be true for 2021 and 2020. So let us check for 2022 also. 2020. So the result should be true for 2020. Means we have all dates we are getting. Let us see only result for true. So we get result for true only for 2021 and 2020 because that last 2 years. Now let us see add 3 months for this sales date. Let us add 3 months, 3 years, and let us remove 3 months, 3 years like that. Let us see some examples. Adding and removing dates. For adding 3 months, we have to use the function add custom column. I'm going to add months. So we have to use the function date dot add these functions language is case sensitive, so we have to take care while writing this formulas. Add months, sales date, insert. I want to add 3 months. Click OK. So here see, this has added 3 months. Previously we have only the 9th month here. It has added the 12th month, 3rd month. Let us see which month it has added. See, it has added 2nd month, also 2nd month, 3rd month, and the 12th month. Let us add the 3 years. Click custom column, add year. So we have to call the function date dot add year. For sales dot, I am going to add 3 years. Click OK. So it has added 3 years, that is 2023, 2024 and 2025. So now we have added till now. Now let us remove the last 3 months, 3 years. So we have to use the same formula. Go to custom column, date dot add months. I am going to remove now. For removing, we should simply write minus 3. I am going to remove last 3 months. Click OK. So now I have removed last 3 months from the year 2022. Now let me remove last 3 years. To remove last 3 years, go to custom column and add the function as date dot add years, sales date, comma minus 3. Click OK. So I have removed last 3 years, that is 2022, 2021 and 2020. So the output only will be 2019, 18, 17 and 16. Let us see. So these are all the type. Let us see what will happen if we add this function. Custom column, date time dot local now. Click OK. So it is adding the present time. This function datetime dot local now will add present time. So this is the present date and time. So this function is used to add the present date and time. So there are many date functions that we can use in Power Query Editor as per our requirement. So this is all about the date functions in Power Query Editor. Thank you.